Hello and welcome to GED Express screencast of phuketpals. Today's lesson focuses on GED science under chemistry, and it will be part 7 of our discussion on the same subject. And our topic for today is all about acids and bases. At the end of the discussion, every one of you is expected to determine, compare, and identify acids and bases, including its types. Now, we have a quick review of what is the pH scale. So, the pH scale measures how acidic or basic a solution is. So, the range would be primarily from 0 to 14, 0 to 7, or 0 to 6 is acidic, and 7 is considered as neutral. However, 8 to 14 is known as basic. In this case, if it's acidic, that means the substituent would be a hydrogen ion. Whereas if it's basic, that is because of the substituent OH, which is also an ion. Now, the pH scale is the concentration of hydrogen ions in a given substance. pH means power of hydrogen. So if you're going to compute for the exact value of a pH of a substance, that would be pH is equal to negative log times the hydrogen concentration of that substance or the hydrogen ion given on that substance. Now, in identifying acids and bases, acids have a pH from 0 to 7. 0 is highly acidic and 7 is not. So, lower pH value indicates a stronger acid, and bases have a pH from 7 to 14. And the higher pH values indicates a stronger base, same as with acids. An acid is a substance that breaks into hydrogen ions in an aqueous solution. However, a base is an alkaline solution or an alkaline substance that breaks into OH negative ions in an aqueous solution or hydroxide ions in an aqueous solution. You should take note that aqueous solution is any solution where water is the solvent. Now, for the characteristics of acids, generally they are characterized as sour in taste, and they turn blue litmus paper to red. Litmus paper is an indicator which will identify if a certain substance is acidic or basic. And again, it tastes sour. For example, you try drinking lemon juice. That is an example of a citric acid. Now, for the characteristic of bases, a base is characterized by a bitter taste, like the milk of magnesia, and it feels slippery, like the one that you feel when you use soap in taking a bath, and it turns red litmus paper to blue. Now, since we already have an understanding of our lesson for today, let's try these examples. Did we miss something from the discussion? You're right. So, what happens when the pH of a substance is 7? So, in that case, since 7 can be both acidic or basic, that means a pH level of 7 indicates a neutral substance. An example of that would be water. Now, what is the range of an acid on the pH scale? You're right, that would be from 0 to 7. How about the range of a base? And with what is it? Another name for a base? That would be 7 to 14, and another name for that would be alkaline. Now, why do we need to learn about acids and bases? What do you think is the pH level of a New York City tap water? Can you guess? You're right. The pH of the pH or the pH level by New York City tap water is neutral because that is still considered as water. How about the pH of a swimming pool? Why do we need to check it periodically? And is it important for lakes and rivers to maintain a certain pH? Now, the pH of a swimming pool must be checked periodically so that they can identify if it's highly acidic or not. Because if it's highly acidic, that would harm the people who are going for a swim in there because acids are highly penetratable when it comes in contact with the skin. That's why they need to check it periodically. And it is important for lakes and rivers to maintain a certain pH so that um, living species or marine animals can live on that bodies of water. Because if not, there could be like a calamity which can kill those marine animals such as fishes if the lakes and rivers are highly acidic or highly basic. Now, great job, everyone, and congratulations for reaching this far. Thank you so much for watching this video and for the references that we have used for this. You can read in Advanced Cambridge Chemistry 3rd edition or visit ck12.org Physical Science Middle School. And you can always connect with us at www.phuketpals.org or visit us at our Facebook page at facebook.com/phuketpals. And since you are here already, you might as well subscribe to our YouTube channel at Phuket Pals or click the subscribe button down below. If you have questions or queries regarding our organization, you can give us a message through line or give us a call at 081-417-0978. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next screencast. Bye, everyone.